Hello and welcome to my channel. In tonight's video, I'll be participating in an open collaboration and the theme is holiday styling. Tonight, I'm going to show you how I'm going to decorate two of my fall trees in my living room to make everything match. It's going to be very elegant. So I'm going to call this elegant holiday styling. I'm showing you some of the ribbons that I'm going to use. It will be a black and gold wired ribbon along with a black and white ribbon, and then it's going to be a wide gold ribbon. But before we can put anything onto this tree, and then we have another tree in the other corner that we're going to mirror, what we're going to have to do is fluff the trees. This is a step you can never leave out if you want your tree to look nice and full, for it to look even, is getting the tree fluffed. There's the husband. He just got home. He's kind of video bombing, but it's okay. I think he brought him a little snack in, but don't worry, dinner was cooked. But, you know, sometimes we want a little extra. So as I get this tree fluffed, just watch and listen to a little bit of music. But I would also like to thank the hosts as well as the co-hosts for tonight's collaboration. The first one I would like to thank is Anna from the Grace Life DIY, Pure Elegance by Kim, May's Design Corner, Sandylynns Home and Garden, and last but not least, Debby Bubbles. Thank you, ladies, for all hosting. Make sure you go by each of the hosts as well as the participants' channel and watch their videos. Watch them to the entirety. Make sure you give them a thumbs up. Make sure that you share with a friend. And if you haven't subscribed to their channel, go ahead and subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to go ahead and subscribe. Here is, I think this is a 3 or either 4-inch velvet ribbon that I'm going to match with this black and white. And so it's going to be the base. And then I'm going to kind of pinch it onto parts of the tree and give it just, I don't know what it's called, but I kind of call it like a little bubble effect. And so I'm going to tuck it into the tree. It's going to look very pretty. Keep watching. Let's listen to a little bit of music while I put this tree together. Okay, I'm back. As you see, I am letting my ribbons cascade over my planners. I have dovetailed the ends of both ribbons, and I think so far it looks really, really nice. And I just love a fall tree. It's nothing like them to me. It just sets the tone in my home. So far, this is my third. Well, this is my second. The other one I'm going to do is my third fall tree for my home. 4, possibly 5 is what I will have throughout my home. But this matches the living room. It flows perfectly with the white, with the black, and the gold. Let's keep watching. I'm going to speed this video up just a little bit until we get to the end. A little bit more music, but we're going to do some moving music since we're going to be moving fast, okay? now I'm going to put my topper together. These are just some floral pieces that I bought from Temu. They were probably a free gift, but as I told y'all, probably over the summer, these are going to be a staple in my decorating decor. I love these. I can put them anywhere, everywhere. I put them throughout this tree. I'm using them as toppers. I put them in my floral picks, gold, and it looks lavish. It looks beautiful. And these are just the picks that I've been using. I'm so excited about this tree. And once we get through this topper, you know, we're going to add a few pumpkins. I've had so many pumpkins throughout the years, but some of them are missing. And maybe because I've been using so much silver, I didn't realize that I had been neglecting with my gold. So let's keep watching, and we are almost to the end. Okay, we have gotten to the end. I'm just going to tidy things up just a little. And so far, I love how this tree looks. The pumpkins, the ribbons, the topper, everything looks so beautiful to me. Definitely elegant holiday styling. So here is an up close of what the tree looks like. Don't you just love it? I know I do. And one was not enough, that I had to go ahead and do another one. So that one isn't shown on camera, but I went ahead and put it together, added a couple of pumpkins around the base, and here is how everything turned out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Happy decorating.